What up, fam? Just Juggalo here for topic of the week. I know it's a little late. Fucking forgot it was Wednesday. I was sleeping in because I'm fucking sick. Fuck winter. But yeah. Excuse me. Topic of the week: immortality. What are your beliefs on it? How do you achieve it? And what you would do with it? I'll start with my beliefs. I think there's only supposed to be 4.5 billion years left in existence, and we've already had 4.5 billion years. So therefore, we're in the middle, and we haven't really come up with anything conceivably, close to immortality. So I don't think we will before the sun eats us. So, yeah, I think it's just science fiction. It's an interesting thought. It would be amazing, of course. It would change everything drastically, probably for the good, But wanting to live forever kind of ties in with my beliefs, spiritually. I can't wait to just leave this physical plane. Ultimately, I mean, there's a lot better things out there than people starving and killing each other over pieces of paper and rocks. But yeah, that's a different topic for a different week. But okay, how would you achieve it? I don't think you can achieve it, like I just said my beliefs about it. I think the closest thing to immortality you can achieve would be constantly getting heart transplants or something. I don't know. I'm sure there's technologies that can make you live longer, but nothing close to actual immortality. Physical immortality. What would I do with it? Fuck if I know. I mean, I try to carry on knowledge. I wouldn't want a family, but I do want a family as a mortal. But if I had a family being immortal, I would have to watch them die, and do it again and again, and then just fuck that. I just love would be just feel so meaningless. I wouldn't want that. What else can I say? What would I do with it? I don't know. Yeah, I'm drawing a blank. I try to help out as much people as I can. You know, have a good existence. And then I'd videotape the end of the world, and then the tape that I taped it on would get incinerated as well, so that would be useless. Never mind. Okay, I'm just rambling. It's fucking late. I'm fucking tired and sick and blah blah blah. You don't want to hear me whining anymore, so yeah. Wicked Clown Love. Add, fucking subscribe, and push those buttons over here and there and shit. That'd be cool. But yeah. Peace out. Hope you had a good hump day. And, yeah, see you next week.